Disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes only. So the kind people over at Seekbox sent me out their S3 Pro. They didn't only send me out one, they sent me over 2 of these units. And we're going to get this unboxed and check it out. So this has Android 11. It has BT 5.0, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 6.0. 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes storage. You can use a controller for games. It has 4K with a 60 hertz refresh rate, and it can do Adobe Atmos. So I'm just gonna open it up like so. And you are greeted with the product, which is the TV box. I could get it out. So this is very, very small, compact, not bulky at all, as you can see. These are all of your plugins. So SD card, I believe, a TF SD card there, USB 2.0, USB 3.0 there. On the back here, USB-C charging. Whatever that is, you get your LAN cable, HDMI, your AV cord. This is a little LED light. It'll indicate when the product is turned on. So you also get your charger. So how you plug the device into the wall. It's right here. It says Seekbox. You can see, put that there. Then you also get, this is your HDMI. Hook it up to your TV. And then this comes with a dedicated remote, which is good. So let's get this open real quick. Alrighty, that's a nice size remote. It's nothing small at all. This is what your dedicated remote is gonna look like. It says Seekbox at the bottom. So let's see. You will need to put in 2 AAA batteries. As you can see, they do not come with any batteries. So before I can use this, I'll have to find me some batteries around the house. But anyways, you do get your power button, your volume. This is, I guess, to mute the sound. You get your number key. You get your volume up and down, your settings. You can actually speak to this, which is good. This is your channel up and down switch. You get your home button. Some more buttons in the middle here. Get your menu button. I'm sure that's the back button. You already get Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney Plus buttons built in. You do get audio, sub, something looks like a mouse here, info button. Some buttons down here for fast forwarding and stopping and rewinding. These 4 buttons, I do know you can actually make these to be buttons for favorite channels, and I will try to test that out in a bit. Just give me a moment and I'll be back with a demonstration and how to use this device. So as you can currently see, I have the Seekbox S3 Pro currently connected to my TV, and it is telling me things to do. So it says pairing of Bluetooth remote control. Press the back button and the microphone button at the same time for some seconds to connect the BT RCU. So let's go do that real quick. Holding that down. It says auto connecting remote. Okay, so as you can see, once you get it connected, this is the screen that you're going to come up with. So we want to go to English, speak English, going to hit next. So this is telling you how to use some of the controls. I'm going to hit next. We do need to connect my Wi-Fi. Local time zone, Europe, London, no. Let's pick my time zone. I use the Chicago time zone, the Central time zone. Let's see here. Just gonna pick one for now, and then I'm going to go back out. Okay, here we go. Chicago. I'm gonna hit complete. And the screen. Now it's loading up the seat box. It says Blockbuster nights start here, all in one family entertainment. So I'm going to let that do what that needs to do, get it loaded up. Something that you would have to do if you decide to pick one of these up for yourself. Let's just get that up and running. But this is what that remote looks like. It's very nice, like a regular size remote. And I just dropped it. But this is good because I would be able to find this if this ever gets lost. So now, as you can see, this is your home screen of the device. So you do get apps. So we can come in here and you get some of the apps. You get apps, Updater, Google Play Store, File Browser. You get Cleanup. You get your gallery. You get Kodi. So we can come in here and hit continue while using the app. We can hit allow. So we can come in here and download Kodi so we can get other little videos. And so now we can hit exit. So this is one of their TV apps, Neo TV and Nouveau TV. So first let's go into Neo TV, which was what I was just in. So pretty much this is where you'll be able to just cycle through different channels that you want to watch, like having regular TV. As you can see, no problem. The color does look pretty good. Like I said, if you have good Wi-Fi, this should run smooth, no problem. Let it load. But this is me just cycling through some of the current TV channels that it has to offer. So it has all the stuff that your kids would like to watch. You can even come up here and press channels to go to certain channels to see if it has the channel that you would want to watch. Just let it do what it's going to do. But here it is. As you can see, here's a better list of all of the channels you can get access to. As you can see, CBN, CNBC, BBC News, Fox News, Discovery, Disney Channel. All of these channels you have access to. You can come on here and watch. You can go to all. It'll show all. You can have favorites. It has national channels, local channels, Fox local, NBA local, ABC local, CBS local. You come down here, HBO too. So you can come over here and find different kind of movies that you want to watch with this when you go inside of this app. So let's go back to the home page, and then let's download this one. Let's see what this one has to offer. But so far, I do like the setup. It's easy to use. It's not hard to learn how to use this device and what it has to offer. So now we're going to download the next app here. Open. We're using the app. Allow. Okay, so here's another one. It gives you movies. As you can see, you could come down here and watch some of the movies that it has to offer online. I don't know how new they are, but you can come through here and find what movie you want to watch. It's just good to go. And then if you come over here, you do get different kind of TV series. You get 4K content, NFLX, D+, HBO, Hulu, Paramount, Prime Video, Plex, however you say that one, AMC, and Peacock. So you can come through here and watch what you want to watch. So pretty much this is the setup of the device. Once you cut it on, it'll tell you to set up your remote. I'll show that. And then you could come here and add favorite little apps. And then you also get the App Store, Updater, Google Play Store, this app, your files, your live channels. So here's what I was actually looking for. So if we go in here, this will actually pull up all of the live channels, which channels are currently live at the moment. Let's go through here, get started. And that's, I believe that's where you can go set up all your live channels. It just said that wasn't supported, but overall, this is a nice little box. I'm going to keep using it, watch it. I'm going to watch some content on it to see what else it has to offer. And I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this up for yourself if that's something that you want to do. And I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.